Welcome to this free course dealing with coping with being old. As you can see, I am old, but I prefer to think of myself as someone who has increased in age without actually getting old. I accept that there are, of course, aging symptoms throughout life, such as teenagers lose the young child's ability to hear high-frequency sounds above 20 kilohertz. A continuous decline in the cognitive processes occurs after a peak performance in the mid-20s age group. By age 30, wrinkles develop, mainly due to photoaging, particularly affecting the sun-exposed areas, face, hands, of the fair-skinned individuals. Around age 35, female fertility declines sharply. In the mid-40s, presbyopia generally becomes apparent. Around age 50, hair turns grey in Caucasoids. Many men are affected by balding, and women enter menopause. Thirst perception decreases, such that over the age of 85, 41% of the elderly drink insufficiently. These facts are what you would expect to read in textbooks, but there are other signs too, such as groaning when you bend down, saying it wasn't like that when I was young, saying in my day, forgetting people's names, falling asleep in front of the TV, struggling to use technology. When you start complaining about more things, wearing your glasses round your neck, you move from Radio 1 to Radio 2, getting bed socks for Christmas and being very grateful, gasping for a cup of tea. Your ears are getting bigger, feeling that you have the right to tell people exactly what you're thinking, even if it isn't polite. Many of the above apply to you. If so, you are aging. You may even be getting old. But can you cope? Hello. My name is Peter Thomas, and I'm a professional actor. More importantly, I have become quite old. I'm 80 years old next birthday. I have designed these lectures to cover ways of coping with being old, coping with aging. Each lecture is 10 minutes or less. I know we all have concentration problems. I deal with how to cope with aging. In fact, if you don't want to work through all the lectures, this one is probably the main one. Then I deal with fears in growing old, questions, myths, loneliness, depression. Well, it's not all downhill. I also cover looking forward to aging even more. I hope you will join me.